This is the elevator at Candlewood Suites.
Look at that
What's a
blue
bright
button.
blue button?
I'd say.
Is it a Schindler?
Yep.
And this motel is Paul. Pets are welcome.
You can tell too. Smells like a wet dog.
What kind of Schindler has these types of blue buttons, TJ?
I don't know, it kind of looks like an MT indicator, and kind of looks like the courtyard in Matthews.
Yeah. These are kind of different buttons, though.
Yeah, they are, but I've seen them before.
Yep, I have too.
Oh, somebody's coming.
Okay. Hello, how you doing?
Fine, thank you, and yourselves?
Good.
One.
Hi.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, you want to show me the phone? Can't get it?
Push it in.
Okay. There we go.
There we go.
Yep. Okay. Can you close it for me? I'll watch the light go out. We're going to end at 1 or 2?
1.
Okay. Well, we'll let this gentleman go out first, okay?
Yeah. Let's do the 2 on this one.
Thank you. All
Thank
have a
you.
nice
You
evening.
too.
Yeah, let's do the 2 on this one. And?
Yep, I can tab you.
Give Mommy a little bit more chance for cab view.
Yeah.
These are kind of different indicators on the up-down indicator, too. That's,
Yeah. Yeah, I've been getting them.
yeah.
With the